How to reset voicemail password even if you forget it. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to reset your voicemail password on iPhone even if you forgot it. So let's get started. First of all, head over to your phone settings and then you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom till you find the option that says apps. So just click on apps. And once you click on apps, you're going to find the application of phone. So just scroll down till the P section and here you're going to click on phone. So once you click on phone, you're going to scroll down till you find the option that says change voicemail password. For that, you need to acknowledge that your SIM provider enables the voicemail. If your SIM provider has not enabled the voicemail for you, you wouldn't be able to see that option. So once you find the option that says change voicemail password, you can just click on that and type in a new voicemail password. However, if you're not able to change it from the settings application due to some reasons, you can head over to your Safari. And here you're going to type in the name of your SIM. For example, I'm going to type in this and then you're going to type down voicemail password and just, password reset. And after that, you can just hit go. And here you got to click on this one. And, it just depends on the SIM that you're using. And once you click on that, you can contact them when you click on it. You can try contacting your service and they'll reset the password for you. So that was basically how you can reset voicemail password even if you forgot it. So if you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.